Good morning. Morning. Today is a new day. Welcome back to another vlog, brand new vlog with me. I'm going to get ready. I just woke up about 10 minutes ago, washed my face, but this eye pencil I used in my eyes, the orange one, is so pigmented. I took a shower last night and I even washed my face twice with cleanser and everything, and you can still see yeah, the residue from the pen. Anyways, today is a lovely day. I'm gonna get ready. So this is my dressing room. This is where I get dressed. I put my makeup on, but currently it looks like a huge mess. These are my shopping I've done over Boxing Day and Christmas, around that time, but they're still there because I wanted to do a YouTube video. These are all my shoes and my bags. I know this is not like looking great at the moment, but it's really practical when it comes to getting ready, going out. I can just grab whatever I want, goes with the outfit, and then do a whole outfit check. And yeah, but however, I decided I'm going to change these things here and get two white ones from IKEA, one that goes right there and another one that goes right on this side. Because if you look, this is obviously my window, which I'm not going to show you the outside view, but my window up to here I have room, so basically up to there I can just fit something. Here will be my bags and my shoes will be on that side. But yeah, and maybe I would love the sofa to stay here. I would love to keep the sofa here, but maybe it's better if I move it out the way and put it on this wall here. But obviously get rid of these things, this library's bookshelves that I'm currently stacking up my shoes and my bags on. But yeah, but I like this here. It's very different. It's kind of dividing the room into two parts. I can take a lot of selfies here, sitting on this like a missing L-shaped sofa, which I think it was bargain when I found it. So bargain. But yeah, this is what's gonna happen. I'm just gonna give you guys a little before and a little after. There's another window there, which obviously I'm not going to show you. I'm going to change the curtains soon in here and there. I'm going to put on my new curtains, which are linen, beige linen, so they're quite nice, airy. So yeah, all that good stuff. But I can't wait for you guys to see even for me, I've been visualizing it, but I think, oh, there and there. I've been visualizing it, but I can't wait to see what it looks like actually. But yeah, I need to go to IKEA and see what I can find for this two corner here. Yeah, let's see. Okay, all right. Good night for now. I'll catch up with you tomorrow. So this is the new wardrobe. I've ordered one of this, which is the standard bookshelf. That's going to be my bags, and my shoes are going to be those three, which is the corner one. And I bought one drill to go with it. Obviously it's going to be faster assembling everything together. And this is my doggo. Hey doggy, doggy. Hey baby, baby. Coco. Hiya. Ah. Yeah, so we're gonna do that and then we'll be back in a second. Hi guys, I'm just getting ready to go out. This is my outfit. We have a reservation at 8. We're going somewhere to eat and drink. So I'll just show you my outfit quickly. My Zara leather skirt, which I made a little bit asymmetric by not closing this button. Yeah, I like it better like that. And this Anthropology shirt that this Anthropology shirt that I bought in my previous vlog, if you've watched it. I think this is the best loose kind of baggy denim shirt I've ever seen or ever worn in my life. It feels and looks amazing. That's it. And my heels are from Zara. I'm gonna go with a black bag, I think. just to tie the look together. I think I'll go for my classic flap, or actually I can go for dark brown because my buttons are dark brown on the shirt. I'll just quickly show you my makeup because my battery is dying. Let me turn on the thing so you can... Ooh, very bright. My makeup. It's very bright. Okay, I'm getting late. Let's go. That's me in the mirror. Hello. I'm going to show you what we've done so far. So this is a little overview of the room. When you enter, you see these two white shelves that like a library shelves that I've showed you roughly when I was building them. They're from IKEA. This is called the Billy, classic Billy, and this is the Billy corner, I believe. Yeah. That's it. And these are all the shopping I've done during Christmas and Boxing Day. I still haven't touched them up to this date, and we're in January, end of January nearly, and I kept it on the side so I can actually record a video with them, show you what I got, and we can actually try them on together. We have a full length of mirrors here. There's 3 individual wardrobes here with 6 full-length mirrors, which is quite nice. And my vanity, I need to obviously clear this part, and I left some of my favorite fragrance here. This one I love, BDK perfume. I love that. And YSL, the other one, YSL Black Opium. They're quite nice. I love them so much. And I put some of my sunglasses here, purse, kind of card holder purse, and I've got my baby's photo. I love her so much. Obviously she's not my baby, but I love her to pieces. I left some Polaroid there. Obviously they're not gonna be there. I'm gonna bring out more t-shirt maybe, or hats to put in that shelf over there. Yeah, that's it. I think I'll keep it like this. I think the main thing that changed this room, made it more open and light, I would say, is the color of the wardrobes. Not wardrobes, sorry, the bookshelves. I went for white, as you can see, and I've changed the curtain. These curtain made a huge huge impact on this room. Rail is matte black. That's how I like it. And I think it gives it more of a sophisticated look, and it's quite airy. You still have your privacy, but there's enough light coming in, so that's quite nice to have. And then I'm obviously going to change this one as well. Yeah, that's it. And I'm editing this video that needs to go live tonight, and I need to add this little bit that I'm recording right now to this, because I've realized I've never showed you guys how it looks like now. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and if you do like these kind of videos, please do subscribe and press the like button if you want to see more in-depth closet video, I guess. Yeah, let me know. Thank you guys. Bye.